I don't even know if it's 3 o'clock yet, but we are here. What's going on, everybody? Who do we got in the chat right now? Brett is first, and Neil is second. Wait, you want to trade? You can be first. Trade what? First for second. Oh, okay. So now, sorry, guys. Neil is first, and Brett is second. Brett, he can't handle the pressure. He's got to have somebody else on first right now. And he also wants to sing just the two of us. Okay, Neil, Brett, Neil. Hopefully you guys get to know each other very well. BBIG just picked up some steam. Good deal, Riptide Redemption. You still got BBIG, and just need Amy to get some juice. Let's go, Amy. Grab that juice. We were green a little while ago. Now we are red again, down less than 1% on the day. Look at this. We busted into green territory, and now back down a little bit. I'm not scared. I know you're not scared. And, yeah, I think we're closing green. We'll let about a half hour go by before we start guessing where we're actually going to close today. What is this? Where'd Weeble go? There Weeble is. What's up, Weeble? Is this working? Oh, yeah, this is working. Hold on. No. I don't want all that stuff on there because those names don't even fit. Those are really small. Actually, can we make that bigger? How do I make that bigger? Can I? No. Stop. Stop. Can I make those bigger? Okay. No, I can't. We'll just get rid of those then. Boom. Gone. EXGDE, man. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. The last subscriber, guys, came 4 hours ago. Welcome back. Thank you very much, Nini. I appreciate that, and welcome back to you as well. Hello, Clay and everyone. Crypto Rockets here. What's going on? Jennifer Moffat. Hello. I love it when Jennifer says hello to me in here. Thank you very much for saying hello to me in here, Jennifer. The next time you have to say hello to me in Matt's stream as well. Vastille, my favorite realm. Vastille is here. Good deal, Vastille. Good to have you back, man. Daily schedule TMI. Matt, Clay, Matt, TMI. Well, that's my work day. Short the VIX in the evening. Frank, very nice, man. Short the VIX does go on quite late in the day, doesn't he? I believe AMC is going to squeeze soon. Hyung Kong Xiao. I also hope that AMC squeezes soon. Red equals discount. I buy on every discount day. Sergio. Good deal, man. Every single discount day, Sergio's buying stocks. Jason says, good morning. Well, good morning / afternoon to you, Jason. How you doing? Jennifer says, I will not say hello to you in that stream. I know you're playing hard to get, Jennifer. Good afternoon, Clay, bro. I was first to leave a feedback last night. I told you I would be first. Peace to you, SD. I love it, man. Looks like SD's putting up a challenge. You guys call first in the live stream. SD calls first on the videos. We'll see who's the first to like and comment on a video tonight because SD's claiming dibs on the one from last night. Tonight, 8 p.m. Watch for the video, guys. See if you're first. It was super discounted this morning. Henry, it was super discounted this morning, man. And we got a nice bounce. Remember everybody freaking out this morning? Down at 43.77. We're already back up $3 on the day, roughly 10%. Man, that is just a nice gain. $4 going all the way up to here. We bounced back $4 on the day. Ah, beautiful. AMC can't be stopped. What is up, Clay? I made it this time. Neil Wolf. We missed you, man. We missed you. Glad to have you here. First to share live, Nick F. Most likely, I don't know who the first to share. Actually, who was the first to share the live somewhere? I'm pretty sure Nick F shared it. I don't know. It wasn't right at 8 o'clock last night. Does anybody share the live, or does anybody share the video at night? Do you guys share it like on StockTwits or Twitter or anywhere? Because I know Nick F shared it sometime, but it wasn't right after it was released. I feel like it was a little bit later. I was the first to like while hopping on one foot and singing just the two of us poorly. Now, that sounds like something I'm interested in. So, yes, you could have very well been the first one to do that. Closing green. Let's get it, J. Kong. We're closing green today, guys. No worries, because J. Kong says we're closing green. We'll leave the 5-minute bars on here for at least a little while, because that looks pretty impressive on the day right there. So, we'll leave that going for a minute there. That looks at least pretty decent. Not last night. Come on, Jennifer. She sometimes shares the video, but not all of them. Thank you for sometimes sharing it as well. Soon depends on how you see soon. That is true. It's not wrong to build up slowly rocket fuel. That gives us more fuel to fly to the moon and a little further. This is true, Tom. This is true, man. Let's share it on Wall Street Bets on Reddit AMC thread. Henry, I really don't have enough karma on Reddit or whatever it's called. I can't even defend myself on Reddit, man. I can't do it. It's sad. Like if I got people ripping me and I go on the comments and read them and I'm like, guys, I promise I'm a nice guy. I promise I'm not selling AMC when it hits $30 a share. I don't know. I can't even defend myself on there. So if you want to share it on Reddit, absolutely. I can't. I don't have enough karma. PB Sandwiches, what's up? Dean is back, ladies and gentlemen. I think Dean's got a place to stay now. What's going on, Dean? Hopefully you're having a great day today. Food time. Sibo says it's food time. Reddit is impossible. I know, Meanie. I'm telling you. I don't think they like me too much on Reddit, but I still don't have any karma, so I can't post anywhere and do anything in there. It's a black hole. It is the darkest of the dark black holes. Question, do you think AMC is going to 50 by Friday? Born Contrarian. 50 by Friday. Interesting. Do I think it will return to $50 by Friday? Let's look what we have to break through to get back to $50 by Friday. Listen, we could get back to 50 by Friday. I wouldn't see it as a tragedy to just bounce back up. $48.50, $48.50 is going to cause a little bit of a problem, just like it did before. But I don't see it being a huge problem, like it's going to be impossible to go back to 50. Thank you every day to Clay and all the mods here. Thank you very much, Bastille. I appreciate that. And thank you for being here every single day as well, man. Because what are we doing? We're growing our portfolios together. We're here every single day. Message deleted. Monty! What did Monty say that he got deleted already? My goodness. Reddit. Or you can read the headline of an article and you say, Reddit. That's exactly right, Brett. I did read it. Love you, bro. Your passive energy had to leave Matt's channel because people were starting to bully me. Even Matt banned me because I was having a bad day and lost my wife saying I was putting out. Don't even know what that means that you would have all of that going on there. But, dude, you're more than welcome here, man. You're more than welcome to hang out with us and enjoy your afternoons and mornings. You know what I'm thinking? There is some big money applying some pressure to make bearish pattern to capture more shorts and recovering again. But this short is... Hey, man, Adrian, I think you might be onto something. And people call that manipulating the market or corruption or whatever. But people are allowed to sell, right? They're allowed to sell the stock. And we just got to outlast the guys that are selling the stock. Highlands, bad vibes to Twitter. Everyone, sorry. Wasn't meaning to burn anybody out, but I lost. Dude, I don't know if you lost your wife over some internet scandal or some people talking about things on the internet. But, dude, just stay strong, man. You're going to be doing just fine. Stay strong, and the truth will prevail, Highlands. What's up, Clay, bro? What's up, DSA Sports? How you doing, man? Special thanks to Brett, Texas. Always a special thanks to Brett, Texas. 1,000 a share on Christmas. Let's get it, Dimitri. Good afternoon, Clay. I hate hedge funds. Good afternoon, Austin. Don't hate all hedge funds, man. Hedge funds are providing us with the best opportunity, potentially, that we will ever see in our lifetime. So, thank a hedge fund. You know, they might not always make the best decisions. They might go out there and they might make bad decisions. But really, think about that, man. Without the hedge funds doing something naughty and shorting AMC, we wouldn't be here. So, thank a hedge fund today, if you can, for providing you with a life-changing opportunity to make so much money that you're not even going to have to worry about anything from here on out. I usually don't share just because growing up, I've always been negative outlooks on the markets being so manipulated. Just rather make money in the dark and get hype with the chat. Chris, good deal, man. Make all the money in the dark you want. You don't have to share any money that you make with anybody out there on any of your trades. When you get in, when you get out, what percentage you took, how much money you made. But dude, we are here in the market making money. So don't be afraid of the stock market. It's a great place to make money. And this is a great place to have fun in the chat, too. So, absolutely, man. Good afternoon, Clay, bro. Tishubawa, thank you very much. Good afternoon to you as well. I hope it goes back in the green again. I want to be dumb and dumber, rich, and buy a Lambo at a ski resort. Now, that's what I'm talking about. But remember, guys, they bought that on an IOU. They still owed the bad guys or the ransom or whatever that money was for. They turned it all into IOU. So, I mean, they're going to have to pay it sometime. Forget about your wife, go find yourself a bad mamacita. Oh, yes, Luca. Post-squeeze goals right there, man. Bad mamacita all day. Oh, my gosh. Don't get me started on the bad mamacitas, guys. I think hedge funds daily. Pringleton, good deal, man. I don't need a hedge fund. I buy my hedges cash. That's what I'm talking about, man. Go buy those hedges cash and make sure that they look good in the front yard. I think the hedge funds today for AMC shares I got today. Bastille, thank you hedge funds for providing a discount. I'll be real honest. If AMC squeezes to 10,000 because of manipulation, then I hope we never fix the issues. Well, that is also something that I'm interested in, man. If they can dig themselves in such a deep hole that AMC squeezes to $10,000 per share, hey, it's not all bad now, is it? Yo, Clay, bro, is buying VIX ETFs a way to make money if the market crashes? Dude, if you're playing the volatility index, can you actually play the what ETFs are you talking about with playing volatility index? Because you could, and yes, if you can find an ETF that tracks the volatility index, then yes, you could make money on that. But just be aware that you can't necessarily just trade the VIX and worry about volatility happening during a crash and so on. Oh my gosh, Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. Grandpa Barney works all night and buys the dip all day. Buy my son Clay dinner. Love you, Clay. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. I appreciate that. Shout out to you, Grandpa Barney. I don't even remember if I saw you this morning, Grandpa Barney. I don't think you were in here, but shout out to Grandpa Barney right now, buying the dips because he works all night. I love it, guys. And hey, Grandpa Barney still works. It's okay to continue working. It's okay to continue working post-squeeze. Grandpa Barney, man, I'm going to ask you, do you like your job? If you do, keep it post-squeeze. And just use the squeeze money to supplement your income and have fun with things that you're interested in afterwards. You guys don't have to make so much money on the AMC Stock Short Squeeze that it's just like, I'm going to retire my family for 10 generations. You don't have to. Don't be unrealistic that you think AMC is going to go to $5 million a share, but at the same time, be smart. If you can provide yourself with supplemental income and that you can actually find a job that you enjoy doing and so on, that is life-changing. So I love it. Love my job. Look, Grandpa Barney loves his job. Perfect, man. Perfect. Grandpa Barney doesn't have to retire post-squeeze if he doesn't want to, especially if he enjoys what he's doing. Clay, will you stream post-Motherwell Short Squeezes? Jason. Unless something crazy happens where you guys all of a sudden hate me post-MOAS, yes, I plan on doing this because I really, really enjoy hanging out with everybody, talking to everybody, having a good time during the day, and making money in the market. So I have every intention of doing just that. Clay, I'm throwing another 7 to 17 G's at AMC by October 1st. Should I be worried about these setbacks? My average is 46. I'm kind of worried because all my eggs are in this basket. Opinion. Kelly, all your eggs being in one basket, that is risky, man. That's definitely a dangerous play. It's, especially with AMC. It's an up and down stock. It's nothing that has a fundamental basis to it that says AMC is worth $46 a share and so on. So if you are worried about it, okay, don't do it. Don't do it. Only hold as much AMC as you're willing to hold and you're comfortable with. If you need to go in and diversify, absolutely. Go in and diversify. But only hold what you're willing to hold. Do not stress yourself out to the point where you have to sell your shares, where you can't sleep at night, and so on, man. I say the best way to go about it is whatever you're comfortable with, stick with that. But it's 5,000 a share realistic, Precious Pearl. It's realistic, right? But it's not going to be easy to reach. So we would have to break through so many barriers to get there. And as long as people are willing to hold out to it, yes, it's realistic. If you don't think people are willing to hold out to it, no, it's not realistic. Jason Clay is actually Amish and on Rumspringa, so pretty soon he'll need to be back to avoiding technology and be forced to never turn to the community squeeze or no squeeze. Unfortunately, he's gone. It's difficult times, guys. That's why we must squeeze by the end of Rumspringa, or I'm no longer gonna be allowed to squeeze. Or no, I'm no longer gonna be allowed to squeeze for sure. But I'm no longer gonna be allowed to stream. So we got a limited time together. We got a limited time together before I must go back to my ways and leave you guys forever. I can send you a letter in the mail. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's start a newsletter subscription. Seeing my total return go from my first 1,000 to make 36 plus makes me, I would say, angry, just ready for game. I would say angry, just ready for game day. Chris is ready. I love it. 7 to 17 Canadian. Dude, 7 to 17 Canadians, and just, I mean, that's the same thing, man. It's still 7 to 17. Clay, I feel like the apes are frustrated, but all this is normal, and the apes have to understand it. That's why I like your ending of the day videos, always keeping us grounded and focused on the goal. Aloha Kaku, Matthew. Absolutely. And yes, we must stay focused, guys. If we want to win, we must stay focused on the goal. I'm focused. I know you're focused. And we are ready to go. Brett, talk about a plot twist. It isn't a ship after all. Oh my gosh. This is the side of my wagon. Wouldn't that be incredible if this was the side of my wagon? And it's not actually a ship lap. It's just wagon lap. I mean, I guess wagon lap is a thing. I don't know. Is wagon lap a thing? Because if it's not, I'm pretty sure we need to make it a thing. Ship lap, wagon lap over here. And took his salad. I heard Jeff Bezos killed Julius Caesar and took his salad. And he might be shorting AMC, man. Dangerous days ahead of us, aren't there? Is 330 shares a good amount? It's a good idea to sell some at 150 to 200 to get my stake back, or is that too conservative? Hey, man, anything, listen. You know you as an investor. I don't know you as an investor, so I can't say what's too conservative or what's too risky for you. You know your tolerance, man, much better than I do. So I wouldn't be worried about being too conservative for everybody else or whatever. It's you. So if you're going to take your initial investment out at $150 to $200 a share, whatever, and let the rest ride, dude, if you're willing to let the rest of that ride because you don't risk losing any money, that might be better. It might be better. Even if you sold too early on the 100 to 250 or whatever your price range was there, 150 to 200, even if you sold too early on that, man, and you're willing to hold the rest, you become dangerous at that point because they can't have those, and maybe they didn't cover in that range. Squeeze cannot be coming at a better time. I've been fighting fires for almost 30 years, ready to retire and live my life the way I want. AMC to the moon. Thank you very much for fighting fires. Appreciate that, man. Any first responders in here? Absolutely. I'm sure that everybody appreciates it. And dude, live the life that you're ready to live, man. We'll be auctioning off the lava lamp when Clay goes back to Amish land. No! Because I will just use my kerosene and gas-powered generator to power my lava lamp here. I'm allowed to use generators to power things. Kim only allows me to follow your channel. I mean, what else can we say? Dude, you're allowed to follow me, and she's allowed to follow me, and let's get started. I'm excited to find our next play after this one. We need to rent cruise ships together after this ape family. That would be sick, to rent out an ape cruise. I like the idea of cruise ship with a water slide so all our feet can finally meet. Yes, man. Cruise ship in the pool so all of our feet can finally meet. That should be our new saying. All of our feet can finally meet. Sell the lava lamp back. Sell the lava lamp to Brick Tamlin. He drank his last one. I don't know who Brick is, but that sounds like something I'm interested in because I want to drink the lava lamp water just so I can meet Natalie. But nobody knows where Natalie's at right now. Natalie, are you here? Is Clay lagging or am I just around crap signal? I don't think that I'm lagging. I might be lagging slightly, but it doesn't look like I'm really lagging on my screen, so not sure. Riptide Redemption says no lag. What do you think shorts will cover? I don't know, man. If you're talking about a date, I have no idea. If you're talking about a price, I have no idea. If you're talking about low volume, they're more likely to cover when volume goes extremely low. But as far as like what time frame, I have no idea when they're going to cover. If I were a hedge fund and I were going to cover shorts, I would say, okay, if they start to break a new high, we should expect day traders, these retail traders, even institutional traders out there to buy the stock and drive it higher. We should expect FOMO buying to come out. I would say if we break a new high, maybe we should consider cutting some or all of our position in AMC, letting it ride, and then re-shorting it. So if I were a hedge fund trading AMC, I would consider covering shorts around the top. Now, yeah, that'll drive the price up, but I would let retail and FOMO buyers drive it even higher and then short it again there. That way, I don't risk losing all of my money on up, and I'm able to generate some selling pressure once it starts to stall out and drive it back down so my shorts are once again profitable right from the start. That would be my play, but I don't know if that's what they're going to do or not, man. Maybe he made up conspiracy theories, or maybe my made up conspiracy theories are all true. They could be. I'm both impressed and concerned about the amount of knowledge you have over the Amish community. Was surprised you knew Rumspringer, and now how to use electric stuff without electricity. Very interesting, Sam. This could be my wagon lap, man. You don't even know how much I know about the Amish community, man. Get on my level. Hey, bro, Anchorman. Okay. And, gotcha. I was like, what are we talking about here? Drinking lava lamp water on Anchorman. That's not gonna mess you up that bad. I knew it. Wait, is Natalie here? I know where Natalie is. Just saying. Natalie's at my house. I knew it. No! Marie Moreno. Natalie's at your house. Tell her to watch the channel. Get her in here. Cruise ships. Cruise ships. Yes. I think y'all think too small. I say we buy an entire double-decker plane. Load it with what now? And party in the sky like Wolf of Wall Street. That sounds dangerous, dude. You could also do that on a cruise ship as well if you wanted to. There's probably going to be a lot more room. You're good. Must have gotten signal crossed with the Old People's Antique Roadshow broadcast. It's all right, Chris. It's all right, man. Glad you're still in here and you didn't leave us. Abe Cruz, I would travel from New Zealand. Jason is ready to go. Jason, isn't it extremely late in New Zealand right now or extremely early? What are you looking at over there? It's got to be like 6, 7 a.m. over in New Zealand. Never mind. It's not that early. Not that late. Is making plays like ATAR a good thing to spread the pressure? Terry, what do you mean? On the hedge funds point of view or yours? Because, yeah, I know there's plenty of plays out there in order to make money, and then if you want to bring it back to AMC, absolutely. But I don't have a problem with people spreading out between different stocks to make money in more than just AMC. Clay cuts his own hair. The Amish cut their own hair. I imagine no professional would do that to someone. A little suspect. Very interesting. I don't know. What is going on here? Is Clay Amish? Do I have a generator? And that is why my stream cuts out every once in a while, because I have a generator running my Wi-Fi right now. I do not know. 7:20 a.m. just heading to work. Have a great day. Thank you very much, Jason. Glad that you stopped by bright and early in the morning. And don't forget to click the like button. Greetings from Florida. I'm buying my own island after the Moaz. Very nice, Lewis. Are you going to be buying that island off the coast of Florida or in the Caribbean or where? To be clear, I'm disparaging the Amish hair, not yours. Gotcha! I thought you were worrying about my hair, man. What's up, Clay? Are we winning? JB, every single day we are winning, man. Afternoon, all evening to me. MTBR. Evening for you. Where are you from? Somewhere in Europe, I would assume. Clay also has very lean physique. Amish people have no TV to be lazy and walk around everywhere. Sus. Interesting. Yes, who knows about the television that I do own a television, but it's really never on. So, generator, you gotta decide what's gonna stay on and what's not. Currently, I have a ring light, laptop, and cell phone being powered, and the ring light is LED, and the laptop, I don't know, but it doesn't take much power to run. So I got my buddies outside on the generator wheel. We're not even using gasoline right now. They're just on that, like the hamster wheel generator, and they're out there running around. And that's why my stream and camera may cut out at times, because they trip or fall or something. Then they got to get back up on the wheel. Thanks for subscribing. Yes! EXGD. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. And it is true. The last person to subscribe, guys, was 5 hours ago. 156 people in here. I would assume there are roughly 30 of you who do not subscribe to the channel. Get your name up there. Subscribe to the channel. Let's actually see if this is working, because Stephanie Ford's name is not there anymore, so I assume it is working, but 5 hours is a long time. So somebody subscribe. Chipro on the wheel. Dude, a Chipro on a wheel, that would not generate very much electricity, but I would not put Chipro to work like that. All my Amish friends, yes, they can work all day long. Clever that Jeff Bezos destroyed Toys R Us, Radio Shack, and was trying the same on AMC. You were reading that on Reddit, weren't you there, Brett? I know you were. AMC and GME are the only place to make money right now. Don't discount other stocks after the market squeeze. That would be a better time to invest, in my opinion. Yeah, Jaga, definitely after the squeeze could be a very good time. But at the same time, if you're not comfortable going 100% all in on two stocks that trade exactly the same, then you may want to diversify even now. That's where all the small animals disappeared to, huh? Maybe. Maybe. It might be. Consider about parking our orders on dark pools, shorting the stock. Nothing will happen if the SEC doesn't intervene. Yeah, Joseph, I do think that something will happen even if the SEC doesn't intervene. I don't think that we're 100% reliant on regulation in order to watch this stock pop. I read the same thing. Just can't recall where. Probably Reddit, man. Oh, and if he reads it, the spam will stop. Maybe. I don't know. Spam will probably never stop anywhere. Or you're talking about Jeff Bezos, maybe. Jeff Bezos reads it? If who reads it? I read everything. Jeff Bezos might not. Any views on the coming high volatility Friday? How would it affect AMC stock? You talking, we got a high volatility Friday coming in this week. Hey, man, listen, I don't know. This ain't quadruple witching or anything this week, is it? Is that what you're talking about being a high volatility Friday? I think that, dude, they never wanted to close above options being in the money. They wanted to close so that options don't expire in the money. So if they do try to pull something out in order to drive the stock price down on Friday, just be prepared for it. We've seen it Friday after Friday after Friday after Friday. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned about something like that. But, hey, man, we're ready for battle, dude. We're not going to sit here and get upset on red days and be happy on green days. We're always happy, and we're always watching the stock price go up. Wait, I don't know how I never asked this. Apple or Samsung? Samsung, Brie Marie. Samsung. And going to buy Amish stocks and bread and jam after the Motherwell short squeezes, that's, yeah. There's always going to be demand for bread and jam. That which makes me top of the line. Furniture Clay says he puts the shiplap up himself. And you notice I didn't break this chair right here. Solid, man. Solid craftsmanship. I wonder. Now I need to get some Amish people on the stream. I can make it happen, guys. I can make it happen. He's also super good at making food. Homemade. I wonder. Cargo shorts, convenient place to hold nails and tools while raising a barn. Cargo shorts are an excellent place to hold nails and screws while you are working on a barn. This is facts, man. I am checking in with the smash and like. Thank you very much, Aria. I appreciate that. New sub. Where do you think we'll finish today? Michelle Peach. Did you actually subscribe to the channel right now, or your name would be right there? Where do I think we're going to finish today? Good question. We're around 3:30, so let's see where we're going to finish today. Let's watch this bad boy follow this trend on into the afternoon. Okay. And then let's get a little, well, hopefully we can follow the channel right there. Oh, it's in my way. It's in my way. No. Okay, we're going to finish the day maybe here. Where's that put us? Right there. I'm going to finish the day right there. Calling it. Day gets finished 47.39 in the green by a hair. That's what we got on the daily. 47.39. We will be green later today. Ortex. Ortex! Nick, are you in here with an Ortex update? We need to know. I have not seen one since this morning. I'll give you this morning's update, but there's probably a more recent one. Are they barcoding us under 47? Louis, we are definitely not barcoding, man. This is definitely not barcoding. You put the shiplap where? On the wall. My wagon lap. Put my wagon lap on the wall, man. Ortex update. Yeah. Nick, if you're in here, get us an Ortex update, man. No, people want Ortex. He doesn't know what sound a unicorn makes. Almost like knowing fables would be sacrilegious. It could be, man. It could be. I don't know. What sound does a unicorn make? I can tell you what sound a horse makes, and what sound a donkey makes, and chickens and cows, and goats and sheep. I can tell you the difference between a lamb and a sheep. I can tell you how to put shoes on the horse. I can tell you all these things. but I can't tell you what sound a unicorn makes. Very interesting. Everyone knows a unicorn honks. Those are geese, man. Those are geese. Unicorns don't honk like a goose. A negative Ghost Rider, the pattern is full. Is negative Ghost Rider a name? Or we got negative Ghost Rider in here? Somebody. And since I'm having such a hard time listening and concentrating right now, I have a Colombian Mamacita right now putting her hand on my... dude, is trying to steal something out of your pocket? What? And whispering naughty things in Spanish. Bingo. My ear. Ooh. She's playing Spanish bingo with your ear? Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. Antics. Let's get started. Depends on what you stick the horn into. I guess it would depend on what you stick the horn into. 74 likes. Actually, update. Come on, guys. Click that like button. Thanks for all your advice. We got out shortly after on that stock. Oh, message retracted. American Dream 6.2. Rewrite it, man. My 2-year-old thinks a unicorn growls and he chases me around the room with it. Pink stuffed unicorn. Dang, man, pink stuffed unicorn's growling. That's a scary little unicorn. Yes, Antics. That sounds like something I'm interested in. Spanish bingo, please. Let's see. How are you doing, Clay? Clay, what's up, everyone? 1111 Simon. I'm doing great, man. How are you doing, Simon? Hopefully very well. And I'm sorry I got distracted by that tiny little gnat that was trying to fly in my eye. Let me reword that. I realized how volatile the stocks were earlier, so I got out of INDP. Nice, man, because I did see that it was back down to like 135% or something relatively shortly before I started the stream. I think it was up 135% from the previous 260% that it was up. Well, I'm definitely sticking my horn into something. Playing bingo with horns now, huh? All right, man. Oh, yeah, it was 74, but still have more people who haven't pushed it yet. Oh, come on, guys. Click the like button. What are you doing, Antics? I am really going to be honest with you. If that's actually happening, your first thought is to tell us about it. You have more dedication to this stream than anyone. Yes. Yes, Sam Blow is back. Sam Blow is right. Antics. Congratulations to you, man. I see what your priorities are. You are one of us. You are the bro, man. Sam, I'm an ape first and a lover second. I like it, Antics. But Spanish bingo does sound like something I'm interested in. I say we play. We own 84% of the float. Mr. and Mrs. T, I highly doubt we own 84% of the float if institutions own 30% of the shares outstanding. I don't know how that would be. So I think we own roughly like 70% of the float. We end green today. Why? Because that's what I asked at Kenny, and he said, okay. Yes. And I also said we're going to end green today. What did I say we're going to end? I don't know. 47.39 is what that ain't no guess. That's what it's going to be. So when I for another second, so that was, bro. What's going on, Victor? How you doing, man? Clay, bro, you should make a video explaining everything that is going on with AMC. A quick review so that apes that want to buy into AMC understand what's been going on with it. Hey, quick review, man. I like that. Little old summary. 11 Simon. I think that's something I could do. I definitely think that's something I could do. You mean, what are you thinking summary-wise, though, man? Like, just the overall situation, like a mile-high view? Or are you talking like where we started, what's happened, and where we've been? Because we've been through a lot. So are you talking about like what is happening now? Or are you talking like a summary of like where we started, where we've been, where we're at now? Like what's the deal? 47.41, my bet for the day. Very nice, Tom P. Let's get it. Natalie wants to know when Lambo. Soon, Lambo. We need Lambos in the chat. Hello, everyone. Clay, bro. Let's go back up. AMC pancakes. That is the plan. We're going to close in the green today. 47. I can't believe I forgot it already. 39. 47.39. I should just make it 47.47 so I can remember it. Hello, fellow business partners. Justin, hello to you as well, man. Hopefully you're having a good afternoon. Michael, 80,000 and a chicken sandwich. What did Michael say that he's getting $80,000 in a chicken sandwich? Dang, Michael, I missed it. Oh, Michael, how much does the dark pool cost for an AMC right now? $80,000 in a chicken sandwich. That's expensive, dude. That's expensive. I would not pay $80,000 in a chicken sandwich for a share of AMC. Too bad, so sad for the dark pool traders, huh? Hey, Pancakes. JB says, what's up, Pancakes? Let's go green. Let's do it, Pancakes. 47.08 today, a bit red. Scott saying 47.08, just a tad bit in the red. I'm hoping 47.39. We still got a half hour, and you guys can change your predictions at the end of the day. I unfortunately can't because the line's on the screen. So if you guys want to throw your predictions out here, let's get them, and then you can readjust towards the end of the day when there's like 1 minute left in trading. So I'm going to give you guys the benefit of the doubt. But yeah, Scott says 47.08. I say 47.39. Tom said 47.40 something, I think. Chicken sandwich sounds good. It does sound good. But are you talking like a fast food chicken sandwich, or are you talking like an actual chicken sandwich? Yes, quick summary since where we started to where we are right now with the shorts and all that. New ape search on YouTube, and only videos that come up are too advanced and confusing. It's true, man, because they haven't followed AMC since the beginning. That is true. That is true. And the thing is, though, is now the time to do that. Because if you're looking for new eyes going towards search terms for AMC and AMC stock and stuff, it's on the downtrend. So less and less eyes are searching for AMC and AMC stock at the moment. So I don't know if that's necessarily the best time to do it, but I could do it, man. I could do it again, too, when people do start searching. Antic says 69.69. Dude, I would love a 69.69 close. 47.20, 47 even, 39.12. Caden, I believe that's going to be hard to hit. 47.23, 47.21, 48.12. I like it, Caden. That was a better guess than the previous one. 47.52, 48.10. Good deal. I like the over 48 closes. Chick-fil-A, better than Popeyes, 100%. I actually don't know if I've ever had a Popeyes. I don't know if I've ever had Popeyes at all, actually. Maybe a nice idea to only count the ending price from people 30 minutes before they close, just for fun. Yes. For people 30 minutes before they close. No. I do. And then we could readjust later, too. But I got to keep mine on the chart because I can't change. I'm not allowed to change mine, man. We will close at 3 p.m. Central Time. No, DD214, man. Good guess. Good guess that we will close at 3 p.m. Central Time. That is a very good guess, man. I believe you may be correct on that. Whatever video you come up with, I think people really need to know, like, what round we are in. When I got in, people made it seem like the squeeze was then. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. No, Chris, that kind of does make sense, man. You were thinking that when you got in, it was squeezing, and then you weren't even going to have to stay in there for any amount of time. You thought you were going to get in, be able to get out, and call it. I understand. I don't know if round could make sense in that scenario, but I do think so. That would be a decent one as well. Not a Popeyes fan. Popeyes does not suck. Well, Popeyes probably doesn't suck, but I've never been there, so I wouldn't know. You ain't missing much with Popeyes? I might not be. I just never been. Popeyes is delicious. Not missing much. Popeyes be dry. Popeyes be good. Popeyes be dry. So we got some people that agree on both. I like both. Also, Pam the Trader. Yes, I like both. Chick-fil-A, I do like Chick-fil-A. I've been there, not a lot, but I've been there a few times. And then I've never been to Popeye, so I can't compare it. Come pick me up, apes. 150. We'll get you, AMC Army. We will get you. I will not change my mind. That's the spirit with the whole AMC. Yes, you are right, Tom. That is the spirit with AMC. We're going to hold on and hold true. If I wasn't following AMC since January and I search info on YouTube, I'd be like, WTF is going on. Since I have a lot of experience in the stock market, I would even be scared to buy AMC. No, dude, I agree with that. I agree. Maybe I should do like a don't be scared to buy AMC video. And then, because there are a lot of people out there who have not bought AMC because they are afraid of the volatility. I was talking to a guy at the store the other day, the one that I said actually subscribed to the channel. Like I told him about the Claybro YouTube channel, and he pulled his phone out, and he's like, oh, look, that's you. I'm like, yes, it is. So, but he said in any of the meme stocks because they're too volatile. And I was like, well, man, I can understand that or whatever, but it's not just some sort of retail scam where it's going up and it's a pump and dump and all that. But a lot of people think it is, man. So I could do some sort of a don't be scared type deal and try to calm people down a little bit. Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Pam, we always talk about you while you're gone. Here's the deal, the squeeze is tomorrow, and you're thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, the squeeze is tomorrow, and then is on Thursday the 16th. No, it's tomorrow, so the 17th. No, tomorrow, so the 18th, and so on. Yes, it's always tomorrow, but the thing about tomorrow is tomorrow never comes. Oh no. What's up, Claybro family? What's up, AMC Trapper? AMC's the way, and yes, it is. I only said round because it made sense when you said something gearing up for round two. Yeah, no, I know. It still made sense to me, so I could probably try and translate that into some sort of a video. Raising Cane's makes good chicken fingers. I gotta eat hot, though. There you go. People like Raising Cane's sauce. Vortex update. Thank you very much, Nick. Short interest, estimated short interest change down 2.34%. Return shares 5.72 million. Borrowed shares 3.18 million. Borrowed change down 2.34 million. Is estimated current short interest free float 18.82%. Estimated current short interest 96.2 million. So they are returning shares at this point. Less shares outstanding than before. Come on, Clay. Forget Popeye. Show some love. Yeah, man, but I don't know. I've never eaten any Brazilian restaurants or Brazilian food. I don't know if I'd recognize you in public without unicorn hair. Dude, what do you think I actually go out in public like this, dude? I always go out in public with unicorn hair. There's no other way to go out in public than with unicorn hair. It's facts, man. No more volatility than crypto. If they buy crypto, they should be fine with AMC. Mr. and Mrs. T, this is correct because I was talking a lot about crypto. So, I don't know. People can handle the volatility in crypto, but they can't handle the volatility in a stock. Interesting. Interesting on that. AMC's a cakewalk for crypto vets. Yes, Justin, AMC would be a cakewalk for crypto vets because crypto has seen a ton of volatility. The AMC story is simple. Hedge funds wanted to short AMC into bankruptcy. Ape said, oh, no, you don't. Shorts still haven't covered. Ape's still holding. We buy, we hold, cover until they cover, period. Antics, have you hung out with Natalie? Because Natalie's been saying period a lot recently. Hello, Clay, bro. Daryl, hello to you. Antics, good DD, all I need. Heck yes. Jack, why would anyone sell AMC? It's time to hold, average down, never sell, take a loss, especially on AMC and GME. People asking these questions are watching bad YouTubers. Always moves. They might be. I don't know. But we don't talk bad about other YouTubers on here. We talk bad about people on Reddit, not on YouTube. Because Reddit has no problem talking bad about people. So there you go. Should we worry about quadruple riching day? I would not be worried about it. If anything, I would watch it could potentially drive demand even higher. Fun thing about crypto is you buy some Doge and it gets filled so bad that a steady uptrend takes an entire week to get you green. Yes, it does, man. That's the thing about Doge. You get in Doge, you think you're gonna get filled at 27.50, you get filled at 28.50. Bad news. Crypto goes so much harder up and down than AMC. Crypto is not my thing for now. Tom P, yes, crypto is not for the faint of heart, dude. It's a lot of witches. I've never seen 4 witches in one place before, so interesting. How do we know they haven't been covering a few million shares at a time here and there and then just shorting again at a higher price? It would keep them from paying. Yeah, Redline Sean, man. And we don't know that they haven't, right? We don't know. So they could absolutely be covering some of their shares and then watching the price go up a little bit and then shorting it again from there. That's why you can look at the average duration or average life of the short positions and see like 50, 60, 70 days, whatever they are right now, and they are around the $50, $60, $70 price that we saw a couple months ago. So yes, they are probably doing that. Brett, what, bro? Like a normal potatoes, but sweet, man. What's not to like? You hate the color orange or what, man? Even the ones who think I'm part of a grand point of this conspiracy for defending a friend. It's crazy, man. The only YouTubers that talk bad are sweet potatoes. Overrated. Man, don't talk bad about a friend. Never do that, Clay, bro. After the MOAS and your Lambo Rich, what will you do with your channel? What kind of stocks will you cover? Listen, I don't know if it's always going to be some sort of a short squeeze play or what. I don't know what we're going to be interested in at the time, but we will absolutely make sure that we continue to have fun, first and foremost, because some people think that investing in the stock market is boring and making money is boring. Guys, there's nothing boring about making money. So we will continue to have fun and we will continue to make money no matter what the focus is at that time. But it will most likely be market related, man, because I love the stock market. I love talking about buying and selling. I love talking about making money in the market. How many wives should I add post-squeeze? Mr. Diamond Hands. Just one, man. Just one. If retail owns 10% less than a month ago, do you think institutions are slowly buying down the squeeze? Buying down the squeeze. No, I do think that institutions are buying AMC, but I don't think that they're necessarily doing it to limit the potential of the squeeze or limit the peak of the squeeze. I don't think that's their intention, but inadvertently, I do think that they won't be able to hold out as long as you and I can. Clay, can you manage my portfolio post-squeeze? JB! No, I am not a money manager, and I cannot manage your portfolio post-squeeze. If I did, I probably wouldn't be allowed to be on YouTube anymore or something. I don't know what the regulations are in regards to that. But, JB, I want you to be able to manage your own money post-squeeze, man. That's the goal of all of this. And to be fair, I sprinkle sugar on all potatoes, so maybe that's why. Very interesting. On all potatoes. I do not sprinkle sugar on regular potatoes. And in my opinion, crypto is much more controlled by the people on the top and get really wealthy. And that could be true as well, man, because a lot of crypto is held by whales, right? So it's very heavily concentrated by a certain few. It's Mr. and Mrs. T asking that question. That's what we need to know. Is this Mr. or Mrs. T asking the question? How many more husbands should I add? Interesting, Mr. and Mrs. T. We need to get to the bottom of this. Mrs. is asking. Good. Mrs. is asking. And well, it seems like you already have a Mr., so none, Mrs. T. Your opinion on negative bets. Cool Bacon Negative bets being like short bets on AMC, or what do you mean by that? I'd say you should add 7, 2 of which should be Brett and myself. There you go. Negative beta. Oh, gotcha. Negative beta basically just means that the stock moves inverse to the stock market. So if you've got a low beta, then it's going to move relatively close in correlation with the stock market. If you got a negative beta and it's closer to 0, it's going to be moving inverse to the stock market, but at a lower level. So the fact that AMC would have a negative beta, I think, just goes to prove that people investing and people trading AMC don't care about typical investment styles and typical investment strategies. We care about AMC squeezing. And that's one way to prove that people have a different mentality when it comes to AMC. Like bets that are frowned upon, like betting on children's karate matches. There's nothing wrong with betting on a child's karate match. Come on now, Sam Blow. You know who's going to win. Can we get a big chart for those close, please? Yes, let's get a big chart for a couple minutes here. We've got AMC is sitting at $46.98 right now, kind of trading sideways, stuck in a little bit of a channel right here. And it seems to be having some problems with this resistance right at $47 per share. So unfortunately, there seems to be some resistance at $47 per share. Hopefully it doesn't just channel sideways the rest of the day, and we can actually watch this bad boy break out to the upside instead of move sideways. Well, that's what we're working with right now. Just trading sideways and finding resistance at $47 per share. And currently trading at $46.88. I love to beta in the bathroom. Interesting. I don't know what the bathroom beta is. 15 minutes. Let's get the Rockets and Diamonds in the chat and let's end green. Let's do it. I googled it wrong and landed on Unusual Whales. Interesting documentary. Very interesting. Speaking of whales, why did all the other YouTubers switch to that Unusual Whales platform? I don't know. Probably because Unusual Whales has been sending people hoodies on Twitter and really interacting with the Ape Nation or people on Twitter following AMC. But I don't know. That's just me. Guess I don't have enough Twitter followers to get any action from Unusual Whales. I actually got asked to leave once because they were like 4 years old and I was playing Mortal Kombat Fight and music over to the gym. Nothing wrong with that. I don't know I see no problem with that, Samlo. Nothing at all. Can you imagine some way for the government to not let this mother of all short squeezes happen? It would break the whole system after all. Pretty sure people will get killed too. I don't know. I highly doubt people die over this. And no, I don't think that the government is going to restrict this in any way. I think the government doesn't think that we're actually going to hold out for the prices that we say we're going to hold out to. They're betting against us. Give AMC a sensu bean. AMC does need a sensu bean, man. It does. I don't know how to give it one, but if I could, I definitely would. Spare tea bag holders are put on... What now? Don't do that. All whales are unusual. Have you seen the things? A several-ton fish that's actually not a fish is a mammal. That is unusual. That is very unusual, man. Unfortunately, Clay is an expert in all things Amish. Yes, not Jewish. Isn't today a Jewish holiday? That is true, man. Unfortunately, I'm an expert in all things Amish, not Jewish. Very sorry. I have no idea if today's a holiday or not. Unorthodox Mennonite, to be exact. Well, there you go, man. Scott is being politically correct, I guess. So to be exact, he's going to be telling you exactly what it is. Chris is throwing those Diamond 8 rocket diamonds in the chat. Chris, thank you very much, man. I like all of the custom emojis. Guys, if you want a custom emoji, just send me a picture on Twitter. We can get some more custom emojis out there. Almost there, still going up. Let's get it, Rob. I don't trust whales. Too many holes. 82-14, it happens, man. You can't trust something with that many holes, can you? No, you can't. AMC bouncing down right now, 46.70. Not a good thing, but we do have some decent support in this area down in here. So let's see. Hopefully we don't break down through this and we watch this bad boy hold up here and just bounce off that support and channel the rest of the afternoon into the close. We got 10 more minutes. We'll probably channel into the close. Clay, have you been to the Amish paradise? I'm living in an Amish paradise. Living in an Amish paradise. No phone, no lights, no motor cars. Not a single luxury. Like Clay Bro Russo. As primitive as can be. That's me, man. Days long with a body that's not embalmed. Whoo! Dude, Redline Sean. That does not sound like something that I'm interested in. Who knew potatoes have such terrible battery lifespans? Crazy, man. Crazy. They should be better. Are we getting to after hours with Clay? 11-11 Simon. We may be. I'm not sure. Really hope so. I really hope so, too. Clay uses potatoes for a phone. Amish confirmed. Yeah, technically you've never seen my phone. I don't know how you can see my phone unless I held it up in a mirror. Huh. Does this work? Can you see it? Hold on. Hold, please. Let's get rid of the dust. Can you see this? No, see-through. It's clear. Hold. It actually looks like there's nothing in that ring light. Okay, so my phone does not exist. Therefore, I don't know what to tell you. My phone does not exist. Just like the limit, it does not exist. You need to talk, buddy? Sounds like some lifelong nightmares. Yes, that does sound like something that I would not be interested in. I probably would have nightmares. I just see a potato. No, you do not see a potato. It was actually, you couldn't see anything. I don't know, but Clay still looks like Sid from Toy Story. Warren Buffett. That is the least true thing that anybody has ever said about me in my entire life. And I've had some people say some very weird things. I do not look like Sid from Toy Story. Stop the FUD right now. Sid is not a good man. I promise I'm a better man than Sid. Clay, darling. Alika. I don't even need to read any further. I love the intro on that one right there. If I'm going to put several months of training into trading and have $5,000 to invest, would options trading be the best thing to focus on? Swing trading, day trading? Alika, options trading is enticing because you can leverage your position. And you can use that $500,000 and go out there and make a great deal of money on it. However, I would focus more on building a foundation of stocks. Knowing stocks, being able to, and not just stocks, market in general, what affects the market, what to know about earnings releases and sentiment and different political and economic releases that come out, how it affects the market, and how it could affect individual stocks and so on. I would not focus solely on options. Now, once you have a decent understanding of how things affect other things and get an idea of the difference between volatile stocks, risky stocks, and safe stocks, conservative stocks, dividend-paying stocks, and so on, and you choose to use options can be an excellent tool that you can go out there and either decide to leverage your position and make a bet, because at that point it's more of a bet knowing you can't hold it forever, and make a bet on which direction the stock is going to go based on various things. Or you can use options like they were intended to deleverage the risk on your portfolio by selling some call options or by buying some put options and so on to protect yourself against adverse moves. So I wouldn't focus solely on options, especially if you're more towards the beginning. Andrew, thank you very much for the super chat. Andrew, if Citadel hired you to clean their toilets for a few million a year, would you do it? Dang, dude, is this like right now? How many toilets do they have? How many toilets do I have to clean? Like a few $1,000,000 a year to clean some toilets that they probably don't even use because they're being overworked and not allowed to go to the bathroom? Then, dude, a few million a year? Like, imagine the damage I could do with a few million a year. Andrew, I'm not too proud to clean a toilet, man. I might be too proud to turn down a couple $1,000,000 a year, few $1,000,000 a year, which in my opinion means at least 3 or more. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not too proud to clean a toilet. So full-time job, 40 hours a week, 9 to 5. And they don't even use the toilets that often because they're not allowed to leave their desk, man. I'm not too proud, dude. I'm not too proud. Oh, Andrew, $3 million for a couple dozen toilets. I'm probably gonna have to say that I would do it, man. I'm not too proud to clean a toilet. So, no, I would say that I would pursue that job opportunity. How many years do I have to work there? Just one? Just one? But Citadel has an onion bar in the cafeteria. Ooh. Now the story is shifting. Now the story is shifting. Clipbro, can you give us the big picture for today before the close? Brian, you mean big picture for today overall, or like where I think we're going to close at? Because yes, today was a very interesting day. We got beat up pretty good at the beginning of the day, and luckily we bounced off support down here and we're able to trend higher, and we're actually finishing right around the open. So it looks like we're going to have a daily doji candle that we've got. Yeah. So actually, if we close just, what do we open? 46, 47. If we close slightly lower, I can get rid of these. If we close slightly lower here, or even higher, I would like to see us close above that, above this trend line that we've got, the ascending trend line on the daily chart. I would really like to close above that, but we're doing very nice here. It's going to be difficult to call this a doji candle because it's getting kind of thick here, but this means that the bulls severely fought back from the low, from the intraday low that we have here, and you can see we touched this support line around here, bounced off of it very nicely. So knowing that we did that, whether we close 20 cents lower or we close in this area, the bulls took charge today, and that is definitely a bullish sign for tomorrow and the rest of the week. They might just be saying, no, we've had enough down days, we need to get back at it. But knowing that we're closing right around this daily uptrend is also excellent news, because it doesn't necessarily break the day trend or break that uptrend that we're in, and we can continue to move higher from here on out. So very, I don't know, brief overall what happened today, at least based on this daily candle that we're seeing. It is bullish. Let's move this slightly so you guys can see that. It's a good deal. I wish the janitor pulls the plug on Citadel supercomputers. That, he would probably get fired if he did that for sure. I would clean toilets, get the money, pour them into AMC, and they'll be cleaning the toilets. Nice, Bastille. Good plan. I'm a little Clay, bro. Remember that 46, 47 I talked about earlier? We were so close, just needed to hold above. Legendary. Yes, I do remember it, man. Essentially, a lose minimum wage job. You're saying, yes, essentially lose minimum wage job, Banana Man. That is correct. Clarifying point. Do I have to clean the toilet well? Brett, that is also a good point there, man. I guess if you stay on top of it, though, it's not that hard to keep it clean. If you don't let it get too dirty, you're going to be doing fine. So, I don't know, man. Be active. Be proactive when it comes to cleaning. You're gonna be better off if you're proactive. Great overview. JB, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. I think some of the Citadel employees own some AMC shares. Yes, they probably do, Warren. They probably do, and hopefully they don't have to work at Citadel very long. I would never clean toilets, Mr. Diamond Hands. Not even for $3 million a year. Come on now. Plot twist: if you're AMC's janitor, your right to trade in a free market is taken from you. If I'm AMC's janitor or if I'm Citadel's janitor. Citadel's janitor. Gotcha. Whoo, man. But I'm still making $3 million per year to clean these toilets. I don't know. Not too late to close at $13.69 a share. Frank, no, it's not too late, man. We got a minute left in the day. We could definitely close at $13.69 a share. Literally stays on top of it, so no one can use it. Just sit there all day long. Yeah, that's actually a very proactive strategy when it comes to cleaning toilets. If you don't allow people to use the toilet, you won't even have to really clean them that much. But do Amish use toilets or outhouses? Yes, Amish use toilets or outhouses. That is correct, Scott. Amish use toilets or outhouses. Can I make a bet with you that we will have a decent run Thursday, Friday? Legendary. What? I wouldn't bet against a decent run on Thursday or Friday. I wouldn't bet against it. Last minute candle, come on, let's do it. Oh, yes, this candle is looking very nice. This is the last candle. Day's almost over. Okay, day's over anyway. Sorry, I missed that last minute candle. We did have a nice strong candle, 72 to 85, 13-cent candle to end the day at 46.86. Now we got an even stronger red candle coming in there, but whatever. 46.86 on the day, guys. Not a bad deal. Down less than 1% on the day. We did good. We did good. I like it. Green. How was 47 a freaking resistance again? And then 48, 49, another fight for 50. Louis, I'm telling you, man. 47 was kind of intraday resistance. I wouldn't hold that up as a terribly strong level of resistance. More intraday. I'd be focused more on the 48 to 48.50 range again. Can you do the intro since we had such a good bounce back? Do what intro? Like, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Something like that. At boot camp, I was in charge of cleaning the bathroom, so my first rule was no urinals. You want to pee, sit. I don't care. Toilets are way easier and less nasty to clean. Sam knows his stuff. There you go. You go on the toilet. Sit down, too, so he doesn't have to clean the seat. Down. I'm telling you, JB, we're down, but it's all right, man. You're comment a lot. No, I don't feel bad. I don't know what's going on. I think it's because I'm talking so much that my throat is, I don't know. My throat feels a little weird. Plus, I was, like, swallowing hairs earlier, so that surely can't help either. Oh, darn. Skipped right over my comment. Mark. I never would skip over your comment. I think Mark's playing me because Mark, I just scrolled up. You didn't comment anywhere, man. Look at that. Mark was playing me. His name's all caps, and I just scrolled up to see if he actually commented somewhere. No. Mark's playing me. Mark's playing me for sure. Dang, Mark. You skipped over my comment, dude. Think about that. Clear what's up? Short Crusher, what's up, man? How do I tell my crush I hold future golden lottery tickets? Legendary, you say, hello, crush. I hold future golden lottery tickets. And she's going to say, oh my gosh, you're in AMC too? And you're going to be like, oh. And you're going to faint because you're like, wow, this girl's in AMC? I like it. Lemon tube. Let's not be insensitive to toilet cleaners. We are never insensitive to toilet cleaners. And like I say, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And I would clean toilets for $3 million a year, guys. No, I'm not too proud to clean toilets. I just didn't clear. Sorry, missed it. The Amish eat every part of the chipmunk. The Amish do not eat chipmunks, man. Mark, you little trickster. Classic prank, man. Tell him you skipped him. He never said anything. Crazy, man. He got me. Got him. Got him. Mark, you got me, man. Good deal. Because I did read it. Both Marks. Man, Mark everywhere. You did look up. No, I did, man. I did. Both Marks. You said another one, Mark? I don't even know. But either way. Dude, how far up did you say it, man? How far up did you say that? Because I just scrolled up like 30 comments. Not 30, like... I scrolled up very far. I really did. Maybe it didn't even come through. Maybe it was hidden, man. Maybe it was hidden if you Yeah, if you didn't use that dollar sign and that word there, maybe it was hidden and YouTube didn't let it come through because I did not see it. Hey man, I had to clean Wawa toilets for years until I got a good gig working. I got to start somewhere. It wasn't $3 million a year though. Yes, I would imagine that they're not paying $3 million a year to clean toilets anywhere. But guys, there's nothing wrong with starting by cleaning toilets and then making your way up. Nothing wrong with that. Everybody's got to start somewhere. Clay, did we close in the red? Matthew McConaughey, yes, we closed in the red today, less than 1% down on the day. Have a great day, everyone. Lunchtime. Pancakes eats lunch at roughly 1 to 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. So now we know when Pam eats lunch. 1 to 1:30. It's typically been a little closer to 1:30 every day. So I think she might be playing us and just saying bye to everybody so that we take a minute to say bye to her, and she's not going to eat until 1:30. Have a wonderful day ahead. See you guys tomorrow. Vasteel, have a great night. See you tomorrow as well. Anyway, I said I would let Citadel poop on me for $3 million. Mark, I did see that one. Like the whole office? Dude, the whole office? There's a lot of people that work for Citadel, man. And that... Okay, don't throw. Dude, that's a lot of people, man. That's a lot of people. Oh, God. No, dude. No. I can't even think about it. Stop. Bye, Pam. Bye, Pam. I clean toilets for $8 an hour. John Blair. There you go, man. And it's not $1 million a year. Nothing wrong with it. I'd clean Citadel's toilets for that kind of money, but the cleaning agent I use on the seats would be a skin inheritance. Very good, Brett. Very, very good. You smoke, bro? No, Mr. Diamond Hands. I do not smoke. For $3 million? Heck yeah, Sean's in it. Bye, Mr. and Mrs. T. He might do it for free. There you go. Might do it for free, guys. Mark, I will join you if you give me a cut. Well, I guess just more to go around, and then you guys are gonna be Citadel poop buddies or something, and yeah, Mark might give him a cut. But sorry, I think I turned your chat into a toilet cleaning debate. Andrew, you may have, but it's very interesting when you throw $3 million into the mix. A lot of people want to know, would you do it for $3 million? I'm pretty sure we would all do it for $3 million, man. That's $3 million, good money. 1 year of cleaning toilets, and then you make more money than somebody working for $50,000 for the rest of their life. I think that sounds like something I'm interested in. I'm getting a cheeseburger for lunch. Pam, what else is on the cheeseburger? What are you getting? We need to know. Lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, avocados, egg, bacon. What do you got on this cheeseburger? Don't just tell us a cheeseburger, because patty, cheese, and a bun. I think you got more coming on that cheeseburger than just that. Later, bro. John, see you later, man. Oh my gosh, Lauren is here. Hi, I'm still working. Just popped in to say hi. Could I have a shout out for my client, Jenny? Jenny's got a... Oh, no, wrong song. Can't say that on YouTube. They might ban me. Jenny, shout out to you. Let me tell you right now, Jenny, you're in the best hands in all of the United Kingdom, in all of Europe, potentially in all of the world. And Jen, I really need to know. Sorry, hopefully we're on a first name basis now, and I don't have to call you Jenny anymore. I can call you Jen. Jen, I need to know. How does it feel when she cups the nose? How does it feel? You don't have to answer just yet. But Jen, please let me know post lashing. I like it. Post lashing. How it feels when she cups the nose. Dream about that. I dream about that opportunity, and I need to know firsthand experience. So, Lauren, thank you very much for stopping by. And when you are done, make sure Jenny tells us how it feels to have the nose cupped, because we need to know. I'll polish the doorknobs for $3 million. Well, there you go, Mrs. T. I like it. It's clear, bro. You watching Champions League by any chance? I am not, legendary. What's up? What's up, Royce? I missed it, didn't I? Phineas, you never miss anything, man. You're here. You never miss anything. What do you think about any? I think it's an any opportunity to make some money is a good one. I started off as a dishwasher before being CEO. Mr. Diamond Hands. Good deal, man. Everybody's got to start somewhere. Thoughts on AEI? No thoughts on AEI. Claybro Apes going to pool on Citadel for $1.3 billion. Yeah, we've already taken Citadel for more than $1.3 billion, so sucks to be Citadel. Oh, no, shorts. I can't say just Citadel. Clay, you're so thirsty. I am, dude. I am. Hold on. Thirsty break, guys. Hold on. It's all the talking, Redline Sean. It's all the talking, man. Aussie Player 100 finally became a bro. What's going on, Aussie Player 100? Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. You guys know what the deal is. I need to see 268 welcome Aussie players in the chat right now. Welcome Aussie, welcome player, welcome 100, welcome Aussie Player 100, welcome AP 100. Get the welcomes in the chat right now. If you are afraid to talk, if you're afraid to come up with something in the chat, do not be afraid to just type a very quick welcome Aussie player for supporting the channel, grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. I love it, and he needs some appreciation shown, so thank you very much for doing that, and I hope all 268 of you guys out there show some love and just say welcome to Aussie. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, man. Excellent. Aussie player, welcome to the Brohood. Absolutely. Hi and bye, Pam. See you later on Super Stunk. By the way, I've invested property in Fullerton right now. Right next to the islands, FTW, later Clay. You don't need to read my comments, but please take, dude, Mark, put the part where I don't need to read the comment at the very beginning of the comment, because if you put it at the end, guess what I'm going to see that I don't need to read the comment after I've read the comment. Larry Gonzalez, guys. This is the day. This is the day that the bros have made. You need to go out there and you need to say thank you to Aussie Player 100 and Larry Gonzalez. Welcome both of you guys. And if you have yet to welcome Aussie, make sure to welcome Aussie and Larry. Larry, thank you very much for grabbing that little bro, grabbing that green name, joining the channel. Thank you for all the support, man, and absolutely welcome new bro, welcome Larry, welcome Aussie Player. You guys are amazing. Anybody else that wants a green name, if you've got Samsung or Android, you can click the blue join button. If you have iPhone doesn't work in the YouTube app, so you have to copy and paste the link in the description below out into the interwebs somewhere and then join that way, but you will get a green name. And thank you guys in advance if you do. But welcome to Larry, welcome to Aussie. You guys are absolutely amazing. I appreciate it. All of the green names, thank you guys for the continued support. And yes, we are definitely having fun here. And green names, man, they are a lot easier to see. Welcome, Aussie and Larry. Matt Kors would win. Mr. Diamond Hands in what? Clay Bro versus Matt Kors boxing match. Who you guys got? Let's hear it. Matt Kors. Oh boy, oh boy. Mr. Diamond Hands. Mr. Diamond Hands. I don't know, man. You are not the father. You are Larry. You are not the father. You are the bro. Sam watches daytime television a little bit too much, I guess. Let's make it a trifecta day. One more person. We need the trifecta in here before Aussie Player's name leaves the top of the screen. We need the trifecta going. Somebody else grab a green name so we get the trifecta at the top of the screen right now. It looks like you just got a couple more seconds left before Aussie Player 100's name disappears from the top of the screen. Then we're going to need two more people to do it. Is anybody else going to go grab that green name so we got the trifecta going on the top of the screen right now? I don't know if you will, but there's just a couple more seconds while his name is up there. Do not leave me hanging. We need the trifecta. Anybody gonna go out there, grab that green name, become a bro, get that welcome. It seems like the time is ticking down. Oh no, the green line seems to be disappearing. It seems to be disappearing faster and faster as time goes on. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Is anybody gonna leave me hanging on the green name? Oh no, it seems to be going down. There's probably just less than a minute left. So yeah, it seems like you guys are gonna be hanging. Thanks a lot for that. I appreciate it. Nobody else going on grabbing that green name? It's alright though. I joined at 2 p.m. offline just to see if anyone would notice. Banana Man. I always notice. Except I don't know why it's not updating. So clearly, like, Streamlabs is really messed up because their names... Mr. and Mrs. T comes in clutch at the very end. The trifecta has been here, guys. Yes, we've got the trifecta. Mr. and Mrs. T. specifically Mrs. T at this point. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. You guys know what to do. 252. Welcome Mrs. or Mr. and Mrs. or Mrs. T in the chat right now. The trifecta has been completed. Thank you very much. And I want to see 252. Welcome Mrs. T's. Welcome T's. Welcome Mr. and Mrs. T's to the chat right now. Thank you very much, Mrs. T. Now remember, only had one husband post squeeze, all right? But yes, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. I love it. Even Larry, an Aussie player, saying welcome to you. And welcome to all three of you guys. Thank you very much for doing that. Amazing. She came in clutch. She came in clutch. Clay gonna come up with AMC merch in the future. Well, no, I think AMC can sell their own merch in the future. If you want to buy bro stuff, there's bro stuff in the description below. But I don't know if I'll do any AMC stuff. I don't know. I don't want AMC to be mad that I'm selling some AMC stuff. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Even Pam, while she's smashing that burger, is saying welcome. Thank you very much. I hate subscriptions, but that's how they get you. It's how they get you, banana man. But you got the green name, man. So thank you very much. I do appreciate everybody who has the green name out there. And Redline Sean is correct. I am thirsty once again. So thank you. Oh, man. No more coffee the rest of the day. We're out. Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. T. It is turning out to be a beautiful green day. It is. We got so many green names in the chat right now. I love it, guys. I don't care if we had a red day. It was a great comeback from this morning, and he's been jacked for several hours. Let's go, Johnstontown. Let's do it, man. It was a very good bounce from this morning. Very good bounce. The Bulls fought back, and we ended on a very strong note. This isn't a subscription. This is not a subscription. This is a brotherhood to take it to a better life. Brotherhood, take it to a better life. Both of them. I like it. Order of 426,000 shares came in at 410. Very interesting, Clay Farb. Is it going to get filled? So if you see the order coming in, but it's not filled yet, you know that that order didn't come from a dark pool. Banana Man, I don't have any money for all that. You will post squeeze, man, so you're going to be doing good, Neil Wolf. It's all right. I miss the smell of islands. You could walk into that restaurant blindfolded and know where you are. Did somebody help you get there, or did you literally just walk there from a random place? Because if you're walking in blindfolded, I hope somebody walked you in, man. Clay, don't read out loud. Got me. Got me. Got me. Do not read it out loud. I didn't read it out loud, but I did read it quietly. 10-1 odds. Pam actually isn't leaving. Sam Blow. Yeah, 10-1 odds, man. I'm going to take that. I'm going to say she's not leaving as well. She may just not talk during her lunch break. So, she may just not talk, but she definitely ain't leaving, dude. You're right on that one. Adios. They're all saying bye to Pam, but we know Pancakes isn't leaving. Epic Stream Battles of History. Clay Bro versus Matt Kors begin. Let's do it, man. We need it. If this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Oh, yes. Tomorrow's the Skin a Bald Cat Day for good luck. Matthew, I don't see how that would bring good luck. I don't condone that sort of activity. And, no. I can't get on that. Banana Man, that's different. That's an investment trade. I don't have that much to do so, and it's all right. Separation anxiety, we can't have it. Yes, you want to FaceTime at my office. Mark, FaceTime at your office, something. I don't know why you guys don't. I don't understand. I don't think like FaceTiming at somebody's office doesn't need to be deleted. Whoever deleted that. God bless all AMC. Cookie, what's going on, Cookie? Absolutely. God bless all AMC. How you been doing, Cookie? Hopefully very well. Counselor Murray, do you have two different accounts, or do you just come in here as Counselor Murray sometimes and like I think it's Counselor Diamond Hands or something? Do you have two different accounts, or do you just like change your name all the time? This was a nice little battle today. I think we fly high tomorrow. Let's get it, Counselor Murray. Oh, yes, dude. Let's do it. Thank you very much for the super chat. And I also, based on the candlestick pattern, based on this doji and the fight back that we had this afternoon, I do believe that we could take off tomorrow. And if we don't, at least we're holding strong. This is a very good candle, showing that bullish sentiment is still around and we're not breaking down to the downside. So that should be encouraging to everybody out there, and I hope that we all see that, and that it does mean that we could fly high tomorrow, just like Counselor Murray says. Absolutely, man. 2 accounts. Gotcha. I was wondering if you had 2 accounts or what. So because I didn't know if you were Counselor Diamond Hands, Counselor Murray, if I could say Counselor Murray or whatever, but I guess if it's on your name here, I definitely can say it. Hello, 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 what's going on? One's anonymous, but he keeps his title, so we know he's a man of serious business. Exactly. We got Counselor Murray in here and Counselor Diamond Hands. One's anonymous and the other one's not. So he is a man of his word. Clay, did Course respond to you on Twitter? No, he did not. I messaged him whatever day you guys said, like 2 days ago, whatever that was, when Chris sent that super chat. I did message Matt, but he never messaged back, so he was probably just responding to the super chat. What's up? Stacks Ape Nation, what's going on, man? I'm thankful to have a green day while also diamond handing AMC for months. Peace and blessings to Claybro and the chat. Thank you very much, Merciful Ninja. Peace and blessings to you as well. And yes, we are doing very well. Banana Man, you do. I love you too. Oh, yes. Beautiful Kong hammer coming on there. Yeah, it's not really a doji because I'm still on a daily chart. It's not really a doji because we didn't finish at the daily open. So, but it's still bullish. So we're good on that. AMC at 46.64 right now, down another 20 cents after hours, and that's 0.5%. So we're roughly down 1% on the day, including after hours trading. We will never surrender. We absolutely will not. Counselor Murray, yes. Cabo here. Welcome. We come. Oh, Cabo, here we come. I was like, my gosh. Cabo, here we come. Cabo, here we come. Oh, my gosh. Cafe, no surrendering. Cafe said that. Cafe said that. Yes, Pam the Trader. The no yacht before Cabo, but we're getting close. I like it. What do we have? Clay, you funny guy. Tommy, you funny guy. Cookie, hey there, family. Mad love to everyone, as always, especially Clay Bro. Still holding strong with y'all. Thank you very much, Cookie. Absolutely. And we are still holding strong as well. My hand's full. Bye. Oh, man. Pancakes is going to be smashing that cheeseburger. Pancakes, you got to let us know how it tastes afterwards. D214. Matt did mention you in a stream and said he would, but that was last week. Dude, I did. Maybe I'll message him again. I know that if he gets tons of messages, which I'm sure he gets. Dude, he probably gets like 50 times the messages that I get. So I'm sure he gets a ton of messages, and he probably just either didn't see it, it got buried, or whatever. But I don't know. If you guys want to let him know that I did message him, then you can let him know. But I'll message him again to see if he actually would want to do something. Whether it be a video, whether it be an interview. I mean, I don't even care if he interviews me on something that, he disagrees with or whatever. We could still at least talk on something. What's good, my dude? What's going on, Wesley? How you doing, man? Apes, no mercy, never surrender. Cookie is here. Oh, yes. What's up, Cookie Girl? Hope you're good. I DM'd you to check, see how you're doing. Clay, trades and trade, bro, are my... Clay's trade. Oh, Clay's trade. Like, Clay Trader? That's the guy you're talking about. And Trey, bro, are my favorite AMC YouTubers. Leonard. Is Trey Bro a thing? Like, is Trey Bro a thing? If Trey changed his name to Trey Bro, that would be pretty sweet. You guys should suggest is not as easy to say as it sounds. And it doesn't even sound easy because I screwed it up 3 times. But yeah, Trey Bro and Clay Bro, doing it, man. Matt Bro, I don't know if necessarily it's got the same ring to it, but Clay Bro and Trey Bro, for sure. It's a crap week. Excuse my language. Was expecting 55. Banana Man. It's still not even that bad of a week, though, dude, because it's Wednesday, and we're back to where we were Tuesday, Monday, Friday. We're just right where we were Thursday, man. It's not that bad of a week, dude. We could still bounce off this level right here and continue higher. So I'm sorry. I see that it's still big screen there. We're right where we were on Thursday, so I don't think it's that bad of a week so far. And at least we've got this bullish sentiment kicking us back up. Hopefully we do end the week higher, but I don't know if we're going to see 55, man. It might be another battle for 48.50 or even $50 per share again. Clay, I'm pretty sure he's referring to you, Crypto Rocketeer. He could be referring to me, but at the same time, I think that Trey Bro should change his name to Trey Bro, at least for a day, man. I mean, that's pretty cool. Does Trey know who I am? I want to know. Does Trey know who I am? If you guys know that he knows who I am, let me know. Because I not seen Trey live in, like, forever. So, I can't even go in there and talk to him anymore. I really, really hope that your favorite and got their names wrong on. I really, really hope that they're your favorite and you got their names wrong on accident. Yes, dude. If they're your favorites, you should not get their names wrong, but it's okay. FOMO buyers aren't scared enough yet. Definitely not yet, Matt. They're definitely not scared enough yet. It's Wednesday, my dudes. It is Wednesday. Clay, my girl wants what? No, Banana Man. I got like a undershirt on. Does that count for anything? Does that count for anything, man? Love y'all too. Y'all better be holding strong. Take it, stalking off the nonsense. Stalking off the nonsense and focusing on the moon goals. Clay Love. Hashtag Clay Love. I love it. Shaking. I like stalking off the nonsense too. But either way, we are doing it, man. And this is a no-nonsense place, guys. This is the Bambi place in here. Some people might be like, oh my gosh, he likes Bambi. No. This is the Bambi place in here. You don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Well, I got to pay attention to a meeting for a minute, and now we have Cookie 12 in here. Yes, we got Cookie in here. Absolutely, Brett. Claybro and Nick are in the house preparing for liftoff. Nick S, Nick F, regular Nick. How many other Nicks do we have in here right now? Because we got at least 3 Nicks, and if Megalatone's in here, we've got at least 2 Bretts. So what is the most consistent name that we have in the chat right now? I love stocking nonsense too. Come on, Friday options on the bounce. What do you think? Not financial advice. Wesley, you mean you already got rid of your options or what? Because I think that we could continue this bounce. So if we don't continue this bounce through tomorrow, then maybe you want to like cut your losses short. If you bought options earlier this week, maybe you want to cut them short. But if we do continue this bounce, which is a very highly likelihood that we could, if we break back above this trend line, tomorrow, we may be able to continue the bounce and retest 48, 48.50. So I don't know where you're at, where your break-even point is, or what your strike is on any of that stuff, but I do think that we can see some continued action tomorrow. If we don't, then yeah, man, I would probably I wouldn't let them expire worthless. So that's just me though. Soon. Sam, any talks with HR yet about your punctual but very long pooping habits? We need to know. Maybe Sam is actually cleaning the toilets and maybe Sam works for Citadel, and then he's just able to stay in the bathrooms. That's how he can stay in there so long. Clay, you sound to me or what? I keep sending you and asking the same thing since the stream started. No, 1111 Simon, I did not do that. I have not actually seen anything that you. I saw you say, hey, Cookie, on that one, and then scrolling back up, that's the last thing I saw you say, man. It's really weird. Guys, if I don't see your message, like if you send something, especially if you're sending it quite a bit, YouTube could be hiding it. I do not see what YouTube hides. Because I'm using Streamlabs chat, so if YouTube's hiding it, I don't see it in here at all. I mean, you guys know by now that I'm not gonna like sit here and ignore anybody's chat unless it's like just absurd or something. But no, man, I don't make a habit of ignoring anybody's chat. But YouTube could possibly be hiding it if it seems like I'm not responding to your chat for some reason. Could have a word they don't like. Could be about a topic they don't like. I don't have anything set up as parameters, so I guess if you're just gonna be using swear words or something, it may hide it and somebody has to unhide it. But it's not my intention to ever ignore anybody's chat. Clay, I nominated you as the world's best unicorn after I mentioned about unicorns floating around. You nailed it. Nice. Aloha kaka, mahalo how, brother. Mahalo how. Thank you very much, Matthew McConaughey. I appreciate that, and I am the world's best unicorn. I like it, dude. Cookies are delicious. Cookies are delicious. Clay, did you ever apply to Citadel just to see what happens? No, I did not do that, but should I? That's a good question. I should probably do a video on me applying to Citadel to see if I get accepted or rejected. The world's oldest gorilla is in Zoo, Atlanta, in Georgia. I did not know this, Matthew. Cookies are amazing. AMC holders and quesadilla lovers. I do love quesadillas. Claybro, pick a favorite. Chocolate chip, oatmeal, raisin, or Oreo. Oh, man. Chocolate chip, oatmeal, raisin, or Oreo. Chocolate chip. If I got to pick, I'm going chocolate chip. How did you convince your parents to buy AMC? I actually didn't. That's a good question, Amcool Bacon Sean. I did not have to convince my parents to buy AMC. I think that, so my dad bought AMC before my mom would have bought AMC, and I didn't have to convince my dad. but he did see me talking a lot about AMC. He's probably in the chat right now, and he was like, now, dude, do you really think that AMC could go higher? And this was probably back when it was $8, $9 a share, right? And I was like, look, man, I'm going to be honest with you because I know it gets exciting in there, and I know a lot of people talk about some crazy prices and so on, but I'm going to be honest with you. Yes, if AMC, or if everybody holding AMC does what they say they're going to do, then yes, I think it will go higher. But in the same breath, man, people talk and talk, but they rarely walk the walk. So be skeptical about people saying they're going to hold until AMC hits $1 million per share and so on. But if they do what they say they're going to do, then yeah, AMC will probably go, is a very high likelihood of going higher. And I think that's all I really needed to say to him because he got in right after that. And then I think Mom bought some AMC right when it started to run back in June. My brother got in before that too, but you said parents, not whole family. So yes, it wasn't that difficult to do it, but it is true, guys. It is true. Like if everybody does what they say they're gonna do, we win. If everybody folds and falls short, yeah, we're gonna lose. Anybody speak a Belarusian? No, I do not. Is going off trying to tell us something. I do not speak anything about Belarus, but Russian man. Privet. Privet. That's all I know in Russian. Could you stay here? Don't go out. No, we got you. Yes, stay here, please. Clay's dad, did you watch last night's episode of The Bachelor in Paradise? I heard you're a fan. Dad, if you're in the chat right now, you do not have to say yes or no so nobody knows who you are. But they need to know, did you watch the episode of The Bachelor in Paradise last night? We know that you are a fan because then he watches The Greatest Surfer show right afterwards. I like my quesadillas with chicken. The spicier, the better. Bring the hot sauce. Nick S., I should make you a quesadilla sometime because, yes, I do add chicken and I add hot sauce to the quesadillas. Spicy chicken quesadillas are where it's at. A little bit of peppers, a little bit of onions, and tomatoes in there as well, along with all the cheese. And then squeeze by the end of the year. Mike, I hope we squeeze by the end of the year, but I really don't know if they're going to play this game for a long time. Say again for the people in the back, my Clay. People talk, people talk the talk, and they don't walk the walk. That's all you guys got to do. If they do walk the walk, we win. Is AMC the only thing on this channel? G-Mata, yes, AMC is the majority focus on this channel. I don't bring other stocks up on the screen. That might be something post-squeeze, but I believe one of the most important things for seeing AMC in this chat is to keep the focus on AMC. Oh, and webcams chat, Hot Girls and Boys is back and deleted again because they don't have a green name. My goodness, if you just got a green name, you'd be so much better off and you wouldn't get deleted. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for Claybro. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for Claybro is a very good one. Pancakes is still here, guys. If you were wondering whether or not Pancakes is at lunch, she supposedly is eating lunch right now, so we don't know. Whoever asked that, the chat is first and foremost, and Hot Boys and Girls advertise chat after that. We also talk AMC. This is true. After that, we also talk AMC a little bit in here, but it's a big mix of other things. Mod Hot Boys and Girls. Brett, I think that several Hot Boys and Girls chats have been banned from the channel, but they keep making new ones. So I think if I actually modded this one, it wouldn't even matter because I was going through the ban list earlier, and apparently webcams chat Hot Boys and Girls has been banned like 6 times. So I think they make new names. Phone died, but AMC didn't rip. Something's wrong. Phone died and it didn't rip. Darn it, bro. What's up, Alexander? There were never any doubts. Clay, 10-1 odds, man. I knew it. Let's do it. We win. Samblo, what do we win, dude? What do we win? Because she's definitely still here. We knew she wasn't leaving. I could have sold back in January and in May. I think was the second run up. I didn't. It's not cost effective to buy back in again and again. Hold it for dear life when bam, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Matthew, yeah, so you could have sold back in January if you were holding it before January when it ripped, and you could have sold back in at the end of May, beginning of June, and so on. But at the same time, guys, if you sell during a run-up like that, yeah, you can make some money. But you potentially could limit the squeeze as well. It's a trade-off, okay? AMC could go to $10,000 a share if everybody held. Now, 219 people in here. We're not everybody. We don't own enough shares to control the actual price of AMC or the actual peak of the squeeze. So knowing that, we will sell at some point. Do we sell too early? Do we sell too late? What's the deal going to be? And that's what it all comes down to. But if we hold and it goes up, great. And, you know, hedge funds never thought it would get this far. They never thought it would go past 20 again. Clearly it did. And a lot of people are doing very well because of it. I am a dad, not the dad. I would never let my son work for Citadel. DD214. Adopt me. In what scenarios AMC become worthless other than a market crash? I don't think a market crash would cause AMC to become worthless. AMC would become worthless if they decided not to pay their debt down, and whether they made that decision and just got sued and went bankrupt because they owe much more money than they currently have, or they just stopped generating any revenue and like had no business model. Clay, I appreciate the true love, and for my Clay gang, fam gang, it's always been a wonderful blessing to see the support, and let's get ready for the freaking mother of all short squeezes. Let's do it, Cookie. Absolutely. You ever get selling under 10,000, we can control if we, yeah, Jag. If everybody does hold, but you know, there's 200 of us in here, man. We're not everybody. So that's true. If everybody does hold, we get there. If everybody folds, that's the price that we go to. It all comes down to what we got. Clippers, the hottest moderators, Cookie and Pam, and the supermodels, and AMC lovers to boot. Win, win, win. Nick is here for more than just AMC. I like it. My own personal observations, AMC apes seem to be far less educated and informed on how the general stock market works. They also seem much more emotional, hyperbolic, in comparison to GME apes. You know what? It might be true, man. It might be true. It might be some sort of a YOLO play, but I also believe there's a lot of people out there who are brand new to the market, and they're seeing, like, if this is the very first experience you have in the stock market, and everybody around you is screaming corruption and manipulation and so on, what are you likely to believe? You're likely to believe that they're right. We have good days, we have bad days, and you got into AMC because somebody told you that it was guaranteed to go to $100,000 back in March, back in February, right? And we've been sitting here and it hasn't been going. And the narrative now is, well, it is going just on a dark pool. And the dark pool prices are mysterious. So at the same time, man, you know, I can understand it because they're being surrounded with a lot of stuff out there that is not necessarily true. Guess who's back, bro? IRNT is squeezing. Dang! IRNT is not the one that was up 300% earlier today, but the Salvatore Piazza is back. What's going on, Salvatore? How you doing, man? And shout out to all the global and costless heating and cooling Piazza family out there. Love you guys. Glad you're in here, Salvatore. Hey, AMC is too stable to worry about a company going down. Matthew McConaughey, I completely agree with that. I don't think that they're going to have any problem lasting for a very long time, but that would be why they would declare bankruptcy or why they would become worthless in that guy's scenario. Dad Bro here every day? Yes, Dad Bro, I believe, is here every single day. And then Samblo, and thanks for the love, man. Love you, Pam. And Brett, you guys are, and also my Rocket Man. I don't think Rocket's in here right now. Rocket, are you listening? But just not typing. Nick, thanks. Must be the sunglasses. Might be. I do not know, Pancakes. It's my first rodeo, and in my personal opinion, I think a lot of the manipulation is expected and honestly less of a big deal to me than others. It's a skewed game, but it's the one I'm learning, so who cares? And you know what, Sam? Don't let it, I don't know, don't let it deter you from continuing to invest afterwards either, okay? I know there's a lot of manipulation and corruption talk out there, but don't let it deter you from continuing to make money. If it were as bad as a lot of people think, then hedge funds would just dominate the market year after year, and they don't. So I don't think it's as bad as a lot of people think. I got my dad in at 62. I feel terrible. I'm not worried, but he's not happy. Banana Man! Let me ask you this, though. Is he going to be happy when it goes to to 100? Is he going to be happy when he goes to 150, 200? I think he will be. It was bad timing. That's all that was. It was bad timing, man. If he got in at like 2 days earlier at $20 per share, I'm sure he'd be very happy. I'm holding till I get my Fing tendies. Let's get those Fing tendies, baby. AMC will take off tomorrow. Salvadori is optimistic about AMC tomorrow. Love you, Dad Bro. Dad Bro's in the house. Everybody loves Dad Bro. I was just talking to a friend who was kicking himself because back in January he had about 1,000 shares when it was under $2 and paper handed all of them. Now he hears me talking about 50 plus a share. Shipless pirate, man. I'm glad I got some shiplap for you if you're looking to build a boat. And yeah, that sucks. I didn't have any shares at $2 a share, but shoot, man, that would be very nice. There might be a lot of manipulation, but on YouTube, you can easily find confirmed leaked data telling you exactly what is happening in the coming days. So I'm chilling, man. No worries. I like the stock. Yes, man. Yes, I like the stock too. And if you want confirmed data, all you got to do is go out and find all the leaked information and exposed information you want on YouTube. Club, you can check your Twitter DM after streaming. Yeah, absolutely, AMC Trapper. My tablet's on the ottoman over there, man. I don't have it over here, so I have to check it afterwards. Piazza is the most popular surname. That's a fact. I don't know if it's most popular, but it's definitely one of the best ones. A Piazza! A Salvatore Piazza! Crypto hugs and kisses. And hello, AMC Trapper. $2 here. Pam the Trader, you got it at $2? I love it. Oh my goodness. I remember that huge run-up in early June. I was in Matt's channel. He was giving his highly corny, fake, deep, inspirational speech about corruption. Really seemed like he was trying to pump it. Very interesting. And I know that he thinks that the market is much more corrupt than I think it is. So, I don't know. I know some people subscribe to the conspiracy theories and so on. I'm not that far deep into it, man. Ashley confirms Diamond Hands. No sales since February. She is the queen of the apes. I love it. Ashley. Is Ashley in here? We got another Ashley, Nick S. What are we doing? I might have missed something, man. Sorry if I did. I believe he sold a lot on the way down from that run-up in June. Hey, do it live. It's possible. I have no idea. Never seen his portfolio before. In the chat, Clay. In the chat. In the chat, Crypto Rocketeer. Oh, there she is. Yes, holding since February 1st. I wouldn't mind if it squeezes after February 2022. Less taxes for me. Ashley is in the chat. Thank you very much, Crypto Rocketeer. I appreciate that. You said that so quickly. It's almost like you saw me ask that before I asked it. It's really weird, Crypto Rocketeer. It's a fact, Clay. Reading a freaking book, dude, and open any random book, almost guaranteed that the main character's last name is Piazza. However it is spelled. Shows how many books I've read, man. If that's true, shows how many books I've read. You and me, Ashley. Yes, let's do it. Ashley, first after the squeeze, I'm going to buy a boat and throw a party. Everybody's invited. Well, sounds like that Stacks Ape Nation really wants Ashley to go on his boat party. I don't think Matt even believes in much of those conspiracy theories. He just knows the chat wants. That could be true, though, too, because everybody seems to believe in the conspiracy theories, and I don't know, man. I can't go down that route. I can't go down that road, and a lot of people are, and people are eating it up. You guys can see it. I mean, I'm not the only one that can see it. I know you guys can see it. Jesse Ventura should look into the shorts, possibly. I love your new photo cookie. Absolutely. Sample, you, me, and Ashley. This sounds... you and me and Ashley sounds like something I'm interested in. He forgot the like. This sounds like something I'm interested in. So you know what? Let's get started. Finally, full article on AMC yesterday was BS. I didn't see it yesterday. I'm Keanu Reeves. You know, Wolf. Very good, man. I'm glad you're in here, but you should get a green name if you're Keanu Reeves. Let's do it. Let's get started. Yes, Nick S. You guys know it. I'm Michael J. Fox. You guys are crazy. Quick comment. What's up, Joe De Jesus? Quick answer. Got a comment? Let's get it out there. What are you and the ground near you wet? Very interesting. What a strange question. All right, AMC 46.69 right now. Dang, had a nice little candle jump up there to 46.84. Back to the close. 46.84 was the close. 46.69 is the current price. Not doing too much. Ooh, Cupro. I mean, Sam Blow, what does this look like? Could be a cup. Could be a cup after hours. Baby little cup. Oh no, let's see what happens. I remembered like where it mattered, Clay. I remembered the like where it mattered, Clay. Gotcha, Sam. Everybody, 215 of you, don't forget to click the like button, please. Crazy day. Bought more. Dad Braun. I like it. Eat quesadillas instead and cookies. Pam, soon I'll add a shades pick on just like you. Cookie. Get the shades pick on there. Quesadillas and cookies. That sounds like something I'm interested in. Come on, bro. What's good in the hood? Ant the Barber. What's happening, Ant the Barber? Guys, if you want some hair cutting tutorials and some videos, check out Ant the Barber. He's got a good channel. Also, Ant the Barber. I don't really know what's good in the hood today, man. I haven't gone outside like all day. It's been raining, so I have no idea what's good in the hood. Cookie, just pick up the ones people be throwing. Yes, Brett, excellent advice. Throw on some shades. Why not pick up the shade that everybody seems to be throwing? Get it? They're throwing shade. They just pick it up and put it on. I like it. Brett says, just go full force and live your best life. Pick up the shades they're throwing and put them on. Not financial advice. Frank, thank you for not giving financial advice in a financial entertainment, if YouTube is listening, setting. A squeeze in January would be perfect, though. Take 50% and put in high monthly dividend stock or ETFs. Earn extra for tax season. I like it, Frank. I like it. Not financial advice, but hey, he's on to something, guys. Cookie's a member of the VIP Varsity Fight Club in here, chosen by Clay himself. Hit me up next time someone tries to drama with you. Yes, you are a part of the Varsity Fight Club team, Sam. You guys are amazing, man. Yes, you are a part of the Varsity Fight Club team. And we need to know if Jenny and Lauren are still listening. Darling, I know you made JV, but it's all right. Jenny, can you breathe? Can you breathe right now, or are you being cupped too heavily? Because the cup and the handle, God, I need that cup and handle in my life. We need to know. Jenny, I hope she's not laughing, and I hope you're not laughing too hard right now. If you are listening, don't let her mess up those semi-permanent lashes, those semi-permanent extensions, or whatever you guys call them. But she really does do some excellent work. I've seen it. So, Jenny, congratulations. Don't laugh right now. She's got tweezers near your face, so be careful. I learned in Fight Club and toilet cleaning at Claybro High. You're going to be doing very well in life, Brett. You're going to be doing very well. Lettering in Fight Club and toilet cleaning is probably the two best things that you can letter in. Plan A is seduction. Plan B is an actual fight. I have it on good authority that Brett has a legendary headbutt. An antic. No, who was it that had... Oh, man, they always came in here saying that they were going to give a flying kick. I forget who that was, but they always came in here saying that they were going to be flying kicking Kenny G if I wanted them to. If you're the flying kick man, let me know because I forget what name that was. Clay, your energy is intense. Love it, bro. Stacks Ape Nation. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. I really love the fact that you guys are all in here. How many likes do we have? Do we have at least 203? If not, click the like button. I mean, it's like telling YouTube, hey, this guy's good, man. Give him a raise. I wear lashes. Pancakes wears lashes. I do not wear lashes. Are my lashes okay? Like, can you see them? I don't know if you can actually see my lashes right now or not, but if they're okay, good. If not, Lauren, please send me some lashes. I think $1 stamp could get them over here. Clay, teach us some TA. I'm serious. We could teach some Energizer, bro. Absolutely. So what do you guys, if you got some questions about technical analysis, you want to do like some moving average crossovers, you want to look at MACD, you want to look at RSI, you want to look at some different indicators, you want to look at, I don't know, different candlestick patterns, do you want to look at different patterns on the chart? Like, what do you want to look at as far as technical analysis? My favorite is support and resistance. I mean, that's what I would use, and that's what I have used if you're trading or swing trading, trying to get in at levels of support, trying to get out or watch a breakthrough levels of resistance, and so on. But if you're going to be very active and you want to trade moving average crossovers, absolutely. Thomas, possible, man. I don't know. I don't feel anything if there was, but it is possible, dude. I mean, I got allergies, so I constantly got things going on with my eyes. It could be. Gone Postal. Very well, man. Very well. I don't feel anything, though. What do you want to learn about tuition assistance for? Yes, what do you want to learn about tuition assistance for? Make as much money on AMC as possible. So I love all you do, my fellow apes. Sorry, I've been venting. I just feel like some of these AMC commentators would have no problem taking super chats about corruption for years. Do it live. If you guys want to super chat me something about something being corrupted, I will more than happily yell your name and say thank you for the super chat, blah, 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 and read your question and answer it. But I understand completely what you're saying, man. But at the same time, it's kind of like, well, dude, if these people want to send $2 and ask about the corruption and he wants to answer it, I say go for it. But at the same time, I'm like, I don't know. You got him. Thomas! At least I got it, man. If there was something there, at least I got it. What the heck happened today? It just came back. But anyone have a price prediction? Just wondering. Callie, what do you mean? Price prediction for the end of the week or for today or what? What is this Gold Cross and Death Cross that I am hearing about? Dude, I don't even know where are you hearing about a Gold Cross and a Death Cross at? Who's talking about that kind of stuff? What do the SEC stock awards show like, the Emmys and Oscars? You think the SEC should have stock awards show like the Emmys and Oscars? No, I don't think the SEC should have a stock award show like the Emmys. Brett Texas, thank you for the corruption super chat. I appreciate it. Oh, no. No, guys. Sam Blow says super mega corruption. I don't even know what to do anymore with all the super mega corruption going on right now. Do it live, man. It's all right. It's all right, dude. You know why it's all right? Because we're built different, baby. We can send corruption super chats all day long. Brett Texas, man, thank you for the corruption super chat. And Sam Blow. Super mega corruption coming in here. Oh, guys, it's so dangerous with the super mega corruption coming in. And, yeah, it's true, man. It's true. I don't even know about all of the corruption that could be taking place. Technical analysis about moving average crossings. I heard it once from me, Kevin. So I don't really know what a death cross or golden cross would be. Which moving averages those would be. I know people who trade longer term, and he probably is using a 200-day moving average somewhere in there. So I'll get right back to that. Gone Postal! Oh my gosh, it's a synthetic super chat. Darn it, man. Does that even count? Like, how does a synthetic super chat work? Do I have to give back? Or does somebody have to cover that? Like, so I think somebody needs to cover the synthetic super chat because it's not even real. Show Vigilante, a.k.a. Danny Boy, how we do? You guys already know what it is. I actually have been needing some chapstick, so thank you very much, Mr. Simon. We're built so different, baby, and don't get it twisted. The goal is still to make stupid money. Yes, and mess with the hedges. That is the goal. Thank you for this the chapstick, man. I appreciate that. And I don't know why you like it when I put chapstick on like that, but Simon, thank you very much for the chapstick super chat and the salt shaker. You guys know what time it is. You want some salt? Pour the salt out on the ground right there. You just pour it out a little bit, and you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. And because salt tastes so good, you just gotta... Oh, but every time it gets in your eye, and it stings. Oh, it wasn't an eye booger that was in there. It was definitely some salt that was in my eye. Thank you very much, Lebanon Simon. I suggest keeping it closer to your mouth next time so it doesn't go in your eye like it does every time for me. Thank you very much, Lebanon Simon. Thank you very much, Gone Postal. Thank you very much, Sam Blow and Brett. Thank you guys all for the super chats. I appreciate it, but hopefully I don't have to get a synthetic super chat back because I don't want to do that. But thank you very much, Gone Postal, everybody. He remembered how to hold it. I remembered how to hold it, guys. I remembered how to... I was wanting to put some chapstick on anyway. So thank you very much, 11 on the Simon, for letting me put that on there. Speaking of crosses, why did the chicken cross the road? To jump into the spicy quesadilla, of course. Oh my goodness. That chicken needs to learn something, man. Don't go jumping into quesadillas right there, but shoot. Death cross stock trade occurs when the 50 and 200. I knew it was probably a 50 and 200. So the death would be on the downside then. So if it crosses below the death cross, golden cross would probably be to the upside though, shipless, right? It's not to the downside. So either way, if a 50 crosses a 200 in that situation, thank you very much for letting me know which two moving averages those were. So if a 50 moves above the 200, that indicates that you would have a very strong bullish trend forming, and that could be an excellent buying opportunity, especially for a longer term trade. The exact opposite occurs if the 50 crosses below the 200. People use moving average crossovers all the time as entry and exit points. So, and if you do it, here's what I would suggest. If you're doing it on a particular stock, you can also do it on the market as well if you want, and say 50 is above the 200. I can buy during this time because it's there's a bullish trend occurring in the market right now. But if you're going to be doing it on a certain stock, you could just simply go back and look. Okay, well, look, if I were to place a trade every time the moving average crossed over, what would my hit rate be? If you can see that the moving average crossovers resulted in more than a 60% hit rate, and you're able to go out there and make positive trades and winning trades at least 60% of the time, you've got yourself a trading plan right there. Stick to it and move forward trading that plan. Now, if you see that it doesn't always work out the way you want, a couple different positions you can take on that one. You can increase your risk to reward, or increase your reward to risk ratio, so that when you do hit, you can make more money than you lose when you do lose out. Therefore, you don't need to have a positive hit rate. You can have a negative hit rate in that position. Or you can go ahead and say, no, that doesn't work out for this stock. It's just either too volatile or I don't like the way that it moves. Clay, thank you for the invite, Clay. It's been a kind 5 minutes, and the love and support was truly heartfelt. Cookie loves it always. Cookie, we love you too, absolutely. And thank you very much for being in here. Much love. I'll see you on the battlefield. My biggest issue with the corruption stuff is that it often spewed by folks that don't even understand the basis. It looks bad. Do it live. Yeah, I agree with that, man. But Brett was spewing corruption, and Sam Blow was spewing some super mega corruption. So they know what they're talking about. Hot Boys and Girls is back already. My good, tomorrow's gonna be a very good day. When Hot Boys and Girls shows up twice in the same day, it's gonna be a very good one. You were supposed to lick your hand between your thumb and index finger with salt on the spot and lick it off. Follow with a shot of tequila and suck up a lime wedge. Ro, that sounds intense, man. I don't know if they make a super chat similar to that right there, but that sounds intense. I don't know if I can remember all of that. But if I can, and it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Webcam's in the house, baby! Clay, thank you for hanging out with us and keeping us strong and up to date on AMC info. Much love, bro. Christine, thank you very much for also hanging out with us and being in here and clicking the like button. Now, I do appreciate every single one of you guys hanging out with us, and I appreciate all of the positive feedback as well, man. It makes me happy when you guys are happy with what's going on. Webcams chat, sign Clay up, let's get it. I think they might be trying, but they just don't speak English. So all they've got are exclamation points and parentheses. So webcams chat, like, what language do you speak? You can speak more than characters. Sam, you don't know the depths of my corruption, man. Don't even try me. And trust this, if nothing else. I have no idea what's going on almost ever. Bow, bow, bow. Sam! None of us do, man. None of us do. Or Zen. Clay, I'm new here, and I have just really discovered your channel. Thank you very much for letting me know you're new. What do you think? What will the price be to December this year? I've closed my stock positions and opened December 17th calls. Arsen, why would you close all your stock positions, man? Also, I have no idea what the price is going to be in December. I don't know if we're going to go back down to $5. I don't know if we're going to be at $500,000. No idea what the price is going to be in December. Dude, we could squeeze and go all the way back down to $5 by then. We could squeeze in December and go to 5,000. Like, nothing is to determine what the price is going to be at a certain point in time. Webcams chat in the house. We are full house now. Heck yeah, we are. M. James in the house, baby. Well, I don't be the only one not timing Hot Boys and Girls out. Don't be the only one not timing them out, I guess. Hot Boys and Girls. Get a green name. Nobody will time you out anymore, I promise. Okay, leaving for real now. Love you all. Pam, that's because everybody's leaving now. It's 5 o'clock. Bye, Pam. Bye, Pam. That is followed by a knock on your door from Chris Hansen. Chris is a good guy, though. He's a good guy. I feel like if you got nothing to hide, then why would you be afraid of Chris Hansen knocking on your door? Pam, don't lie. You're still here. Yeah, right, Pam. She's still here. You should do a collab with Wrench Capital. If anybody wants to do one, I would do one. Banana Man, what are you talking about, the Hot Boys and Girls chatting thing? Banana Man, are you talking about the Hot Boys and Girls chatting thing? He might be. I don't know. Take a seat. No, no. Over there. Over there. Banana Man has watched a lot of, oh man, How to Catch a Predator. Is that what the show is? What if the hot boys and girls are in trouble and they cry for help? Better check out the website to be sure. Good advice, Brett. Somebody go check out the website right now just to make sure that these hot boys and girls are not in trouble. Is it safe? Is it safe? It's always safe in here, man. Clay Brony! My daughter is not wearing anything until you send the bro onesie. M. James. I did ask my sister if she would print on a onesie. She will, but she said she's not feeling too well right now, man. So I don't want to have her print on anything or working on anything, and then anybody send anything out when she's not feeling well. So it might be a week or so before I can do something with that. But we're gonna get a baby bro. We're gonna get a baby bro with a little blue wrench or something on there, man. We're gonna have to make you jealous in some way. So, shoot, dude, I might even send your wife a mod shirt or something just to make you real jealous that everybody in the house. How old's your other kid? I gotta get another shirt out there that everybody in your house has a mod shirt except for you. Arsene Zantudia. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Good job to you, Arsene. Good job to you. Very sorry that I hacked up the last name there, but good job to you, Arsene. And thank you very much for the good job to you, Arsene. And I'm very sorry, man, that I hacked up the last name. You gotta forgive me. It's not an easy one. Zanatayev. Arsene Zanatayev. Is it remotely correct? Arsene Zanatayev? I hope so. Thoughts on why GME is less volatile than AMC lately? Luke. No, I actually have not sat there and thought about why AMC would be less volatile than GME, or more volatile than GME lately. That's a good one, man. I don't know. I can't come up with the answer right off the top of my head on that, but I do want to think about that for a minute. 1,700 rubles. All right, let's get it. We love the rubles out there, man. A Banana Man could go either way. I mean, girls in college are referred to as college girls. Yes, they are. Chupas 2? What? I don't even know. Is the boys part that worries me. Lauren, I love you. Lauren, are you still here? Lauren, for real though, it's 5 o'clock. It's 10 p.m. Jenny, time to go home. It's 10 p.m. Lauren needs to sleep. Also, you need to sleep, Jenny. I have no idea why she's still working on your eyes. But Jenny, can you give Lauren 2 seconds to type, because I really want to know how it felt. So either Lauren, hand your phone to Jenny, or Jenny, come in the chat really quick. I want to know how the cupping of the nose felt during the lashing that you just got done taking. So if you're in the chat, if you're listening right now, Lauren, Jenny, please let me know how the cupping feels. And if you're not Lauren or Jenny, get your name in the chat right now so I can shout you guys out, because it's 5 o'clock. It is time to go. You will be watching a video at 8 p.m. tonight. Thank you very much for clicking on that in advance and clicking the like button as well. Appreciate all the support, guys. So let's get these shout-outs going, and then keep a lookout for Jenny or Lauren in chat, because we want to know how the cupping went. Well, more expensive and less shares. Yes, I think it's because it's cheaper. Could be. More people trading AMC because it's cheaper. Sam Blow, AMC Trapper, Daniel, not Danielle, Daniel, try hard mofo, I like it. Pancakes. Good evening, good afternoon to you, Pancakes 11, Mr. Simon Johnson Town, Sammy, Crypto Rocketeer, Neo Wolf, Banana Man, Brett, do it live, baby. 11 Crypto Rocketeer is boom, dabbing on them as always. Peace out, Ape family. AMC Trapper getting out there. Lou on money. I have secret connections. We know you do, Lou. Pam the Trader Bot. Love Pancakes. See you later, Pancakes. Hopefully you have a wonderful evening. Neo Wolf, DD214. Later, fam. Row. Spaghetti Row. All right. Enjoy the show. And let's make some dough. Let's do it, Row. Throw the baggins, Crypto Rocketeer. Claim the fast. I already liked your video tonight. Darn it, man. How did you do that? It's not even posted yet. I don't know how you did that. Frank. Shout out to you, man. Frank's a ninja rocket. Good deal, Banana Man. You just watch your mouth, Lou. Yes, please. 11 on Simon. Neo Wolf, 11 on Simon. And it looks like Jenny and Lauren are not going to be jumping in the chat. Oh, no. Vinster, shout out to you, man. Enjoy your evening. Douglas, Ape Life rolls on. Rosemary Fit. Thanks for the stream and videos, Clay. Rosemary Fit, thank you for being in here. I appreciate that and letting me know. I do not recognize your name. So hopefully you can continue to be active in the chat, and I do recognize the name. I would like it if you were. Sammy, Tony, good deal, guys, good deal. And Lauren, if you're listening, don't work too hard tonight, please. So, if you want to say it with me later, Clay. Oh, Stacks. Shout out to you, man. Now, you guys know what time it is. Lee, shout out to you, man. Oh, what do we got? I'm cool. Shout out to you. Banana Man, shout out to you. Now, it's time. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.